Hi guys, here's a cold start of the 1989 Yamaha YZ80 and an update. Well, not an update yet, but here's the parts I'm going to be getting. I'm going to get a new front brake lever because you have to have the ball in order to go to the track. I ordered that when I ordered the Honda parts. Here's the Honda engine. It's in its stage of rebuilding. I just put the top rebuilt, put all the gaskets, silicone sealer, and a regular gasket, brand new cam chain right here. And I got the Honda ready. Cleaned the carb and everything, so that's ready. So clean the air filter. Order a new thing, and then I'm also ordering the little bolt down there. And also during, well, soon like mid-April, I'll probably order the clamp that goes here. It broke, and then the clamp's supposed to go down here where those zip ties are holding it, but it works for now. So here's a cold start. Fuel on. Choke is pulled out all the way. Let's see if this thing kicks over. I'll probably kick first or second try. I don't know. Probably first. I'm gonna kick it again. I put it on choke too early. On the choke too early. What the flying fuck? Hey guys, so here's the cold start, and I got this sticker from my Dirt Rider magazine. Those are good magazines, and here's an update and a cold start of the 1989 YZ80, and I'll have an update on the XR80R when I get it top end put back together and the engine into the frame and see if it cranks. And I'll also put the stator on. And there's the wire for the stator. So anyway, there's an update, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.